Acorns are so cute and they're just so full of charisma. It's really easy to understand an acorn and then also to see the potential it has in the future for a large tree. Oak trees are islands of biodiversity. There's so many things that need them and can use them. They're an icon of the Willamette Valley. They're an icon of cultural diversity of the Willamette Valley. And that's true of white oaks of many species throughout the world. They just bring together so many important human and non-human species.
The Growing Oaks Project is a student-run project aimed at stewarding the Oregon white oak species, and we do this through a variety of modes, the most prominent one being physically growing saplings, but also through education and outreach and volunteering. So part of the Growing Oaks Project is helping plant the saplings in the land. We've done a lot of planting events where we physically plant the saplings in the ground once they're big enough, but we also can just donate them in this form and they can be planted without our help as well.
The goal of growing new trees is to kind of repopulate the dwindling population of the Oregon oak because it has decreased over time, and we're really trying to do our best to preserve what's already here and create more habitats for the Oregon oak.
Wineries are really important about the future of oak trees because the industry can be the greatest partner for the trees or it can be one of the greatest threats. The same place that wine grapes want to grow is exactly where oaks want to grow. Live has been a really important collaborator. They were the first group that really helped us connect into a larger community from one institution to another institution. The interest that Live has in supporting the conservation and promotion of those trees is really important.
Live was really excited to learn about the Growing Oaks Project and to learn about all of the amazing things that the students at Willamette University are doing to protect and educate the general public on Oregon white oaks. While the Oregon white oak population is dwindling, a lot of the remaining population of these Oregon white oaks is on private land, a lot of that being on vineyards. So many Live members and vineyard owners in the Willamette Valley are interested in Oregon white oaks. A lot of our members are already working on their own restoration projects and are nurturing some really either old growth trees or working to grow new saplings. We have a lot of interest in growing saplings from the Growing Oaks Project. Growing Oaks has set a goal to collect 100,000 acorns, and with these 100,000 acorns to grow those into 11,000 saplings that will be redistributed back into the Willamette Valley. So if we grow 11,000 trees and those trees grow for 50 years, that will offset the carbon footprint of 1 year within the wine industry locally.
People can learn more about our project through our website or on social media. We have a project Instagram, and we are always willing to answer any questions that people have about the project.
People should care about the Oregon white oak today because it tells us about deep past. It captures the entire history of the Willamette Valley and all of the people who've lived here. People should care about the Oregon white oak because it's the tree of tomorrow. It's the one that is most likely to be resilient in the climate futures we have, that is also native to the Willamette Valley. We can contribute to a better future. There'll be shade for kids on hot days. There'll be a place to hang a swing. There'll be a place to listen to the birds. So many reasons to care about the Oregon white oak today.